don't get me wrong, ne? We all know, bruh. Nabi's not a well-good coach, you know. But one thing I represent in football is that if you're a team, you must honor like team rules and stuff, you know. So I'm not right now. We are all not sure what happened with Nabi, mainly when it comes to what's the reason of them chasing him out. I don't think it could be like because of the lose we had against Sekhukhune. Sekhukhune was a better team. It was better than us on that day, and they were way smarter because if you could realize, all their balls were going to Grobler. Grobler was just flicking, which was good, smart, and style of play that they realized against us. And even if it wasn't against us, Sekhukhune is just a good team right now. Let's just be honest. Give whatever when it's due, you know. So what stresses me right now is, I don't want to lie, I love these two coaches, the two technical team. Even yesterday we lost, but I don't have a problem with that. We have good style of play. I love the way they're always attacking mentally. I also don't like what Nabi was doing. Defend the whole entire time. You cannot defend the whole entire time, bruh. Because it's simple. Football is like fighting, you know? When you're fighting with someone, you don't back up. I know there's power with backing off. But you cannot always be backing off fights. We are Kaizer Chiefs. Teams must fear us. So Nabi has this philosophy of like holding, scoring one goal, being defensive. If you could realize this Sekhukhune game, we were pound to pound with them until they started being okay. We're gonna pound you guys. Then we started to that's when they destroyed us and they outsmarted us. So I don't think that's one of the reasons they could chase Nabi away from Kaizer Chiefs. I feel like the reason they chased Nabi away, okay, they say he doesn't have proper qualifications, which is something we still need to look into. But I just don't understand. We could be able to, as a team, okay, Nabi, you can have this leave. Take leave while you're still resolving your issues and stuff, you know, and fix your paperwork. Simple, you know. We've hired Nabi as a coach. Or try to help the coach, you know. And again, I feel like another thing that could be taking part in this, it's Nabi's family issues. He's been experiencing some family issues with the wife, with the family, you know. And apparently he's saying he's tired. Like having friends like me. Imagine having every day. Online, yeah, don't get me wrong, you know. It kind of takes a toll on people also, you know. But I don't think like if you love football, you should know by now that you have fans. And those fans are always going to be drilling you, young well. So I just don't understand, why would you guys remove Nabi? I'm not a fan of Nabi more than I am of these two technical team guys, you know. I don't even know their names. That's how, you know, but I love their style of play. I love the way they play. As much as yesterday, I don't know what they were doing because they were playing almost all, maybe because sometimes we might blame the coaches, whereby the players are also not doing their job, you know. Because if you realize yesterday we were playing too much holding football, bruh, which I don't understand. Why are you holding football? Why you should be attacking? We were playing good football yesterday. I don't understand why we lost. So I just don't understand why they would take Nabi out. But I don't know, man. I hope Nabi's okay wherever he is and he's doing good. If it's a personal thing, I hope the family is healthy and doing well. If someone is sick, because I hear there's like rumors of the wife being sick and stuff, I hope they get they get better soon. Please let me know, how do you feel about the Nabi situation in the comment section. From me, Katlego Sparkles. I'll see you on the next one. I'm out. Peace.